Here is number 7 to Risculing Here is now Amasho for 3. Dalawa ang 27 Habana. Dalawa 27 Habana. Palit-palit. Okay. 25-18. Kulinggon. Dibigay ka? Kanina ka? Number 27. Kasi nila. Okay, basket from Kulinggon. There is a Marshall. Dibigay ka ba ni the apple? Still a Marshall to number 4. Oh, we have a foul from number 7 of Havana. Hilito, number 7, that is your first personal foul, and also the first team foul of Havana. Balaki. Last ni Balaki. Again. Oh. There is now possibility Kulindon number 22 to another Kulindon over there. And same ball now, I can wrap Kanya. 11 seconds shot clock, 11 seconds to shoot. There it is. One step forward, Kulindon number 22 to no basket. Same ball, 12 seconds to shoot. Okay, 12 seconds. There is the basket for number 27, Casimiro. 29-18 is our scoring. There is. That is a 3 points from Maliguan, jersey number 15. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. This is number 14. Bibigay ka ulit doon. Pass to number 14, 10 second shot clock. Kulindon to Casimiro. Stay no back. Balikat, bibigay kay Gonzales. Ay! There is Kulindon. Bibigay ka Casimiro. To Kulindon number 22. To Kulindon sa post. Balikat, bibigay ka Marshall against Casimiro. Ano ba yan? 7 minutes and 27 seconds remaining time. Ball na. Time out. Buenos Aires. 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. 29-21 is our score, and that is the 8-point lead of Havana. Promise. And the inside that meant Soltero last game. Maaga na kami nag-umpisa. Alas 4. Amasho, number 81. Amasho, 5 seconds. Bad is better. Number 76. Nakakagutom ba? 14 seconds. 8 seconds, shot clock. Gregorio. There is now chance that steal by Kulindon. 8 seconds shot clock. Kulindon number 22. Rehab counted. Foul number 14. Green Warrior, number 14, yellow card. Counted that. Okay, counted. 31-23 is the score. A marshal between the corner, I think that is Gonzalez. We have a travel violation. 2 teams false combined. Here is now back to the ball game. Here is now the lead of to Casemiro. Binigay ni Boston sa kanyang kuya. Binigay na naman. 8-second shot clock. Casemiro. Fortuno basket. So, magkakabagka sa Colindon. Casemiro again. Yung basket. Chance, but still, nasa harapan ng bola. 2 seconds. That's already done for second shot. We have a substitution. Gonzalez and Salvati back to the game. There is Gonzalez again. All Venezuela. Five minutes and 25 seconds. Remaining time. Gonzalez. 1 step forward to delay time. 10 seconds to shoot. It's better. Gregorio ang kuha ng bola. There's the Colindon number 16. Bibigay sa Salabante. Ang napakahal sa Salabante ng bola para sa LK Bell. Amasyo Esberto. Inaabot ang bola. Same ball. Ay, sa ating araw. 12 second shot clock. LK Bell, 12 seconds. There's Oh, we have now from number 8, Salabante. Salabante, that is your first personal foul. Buhay na naman. Gregorio, we have a defensive foul from Jersey Napa. 16. Fouls. Ito din naman lang with Esberto. Borgwing. Pero hindi pumasok. Same ball. 14 second shot clock. We have substitution. Espanola number 25. And Baby Naki. Baby. Basket, Salabante, jersey number 8. There is now. Aroy. It's a lot. Kung ako matuntun man, I think na. Sunod, hindi mo pag-party dyan. Hey. There's Gregorio. Matiklog na si Red Chronicle. 10 seconds to shoot. There is number 5. Okay. Oh. Espanola, 25, 14 second shot clock. Tira isu. Hey. Bola ng LP again. 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining time. Ernesnel Gonzalez. 40 seconds, Shala Amasho. Rebound by Glindon to. This is Espanola, number 25, Benedetto. Hagpapang mapasahan, 40 seconds to shoot. Well foul. Number 7, that is Hilito. Second person na ito, meron pa tayong isang game. Masyo. Baligwan! Ay, sinikuan ni Baligwan. Green Warrior. To Espanola, number 25, to Colombo, number 22. We have offensive foul from number 7. Offensive. Third personal foul. Third personal foul for Lito. There is no again for LK event of Venezuela. 10, Baligwan. Ay! Nakakaganda ng board ngayon, 3. Mula kay Baligwan, number 15. Pinakang 1, at na lang ang nabawan ng Espanola 1. Ay! Bola down there. Habang. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Kulit doon, bibigyan kay Bakni. Tira, baby. Ay, wala si baby. There is now only 1. Counted. Counted and foul number 25. Number 25, that is Espanola. First personal foul is Espanola. And over the penalty. Bala, Baligwan. Ay, boros siya. Isa pa ba? Okay. Naka 4 points. Kaya lumabang na ang LK event. Oh, very good. Here is rebound by Amasho. Still by the Warrior. Si Baby Bakni. Gregorio, 10 seconds to shoot. Espanola, Gregorio. Rebound ni Salavante. Salavante. Oh, still covered by Salavante. There's already 8 seconds backcourt violation. Ibigay ka na ito with ang bola. So the ball will still make for the Espanola one. It's going to be 14 seconds shot clock. For Espanola to number 26. Time out. LK event. 24 seconds remaining time, but still we have shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. There's Gonzalez. Last for 5. Wave foul. 81. 5 seconds remaining time. Shot clock is off. First and 81 matches. What? And that is the end of our second quarter, 32-31. Salamat naman yung LKF Band. Napagaling po ako ng report, pag-ibig na ako na ilang sabi. Promise!